Hey y'all, are y'all ready for a snack? Today we're going to be making buffalo cauliflower bites. They're low in fat, low in carbs, and punched full of flavor. To make this recipe, you're going to need cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces, buffalo sauce, and panko breadcrumbs. Dip your cauliflower in the buffalo sauce, ensuring you've got a nice even coating on it, then dredge it in panko breadcrumbs. Here's a tip. Use small batches of panko to dip your cauliflower in, because the panko is going to absorb the buffalo sauce and then it won't stick to the cauliflower and you get a pretty ugly, nasty mess. And you sure don't want to waste all this expensive panko crumbs. Lightly coat your cauliflower in olive oil. Cook at 375 for 10 minutes. Adjust your cook time depending on the thickness of your cauliflower bites. We're halfway done. Ooh, these are getting a nice brown on them. I think we're going to flip them and we're going to spray some more oil on them. Pop quiz time. What do you get if you cross a dog with a daisy? Well, you get a cauliflower, of course. It's time to take the cauliflower bites out of the air fryer. I think that's the fastest thing I've cooked in the air fryer yet. Let's see how it tastes. The panko gets really crispy, so you get this real nice crunch. And there's just a little heat from the buffalo sauce. I'm dipping it in jalapeno ranch. No, it's a pretty good little snack. I'm gonna sit here and eat this whole plate if I'm not careful. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you give the cauliflower bites a try, let me know what you think. Tell me about them in the comments section.